Hi, my name is Aaron Staack, and I've taught pottery at Eureka High School for 20 years. The demo you're going to be watching is a basic demonstration on how to throw. All the things that you see me make in this demo, you'll actually learn how to make your first semester. What I'm demoing right now is how to center a piece of clay. It's very important to learn how to do that. Centering and opening, and thinning the walls to get them the correct thickness. This demo is going to show you everything from the hardest thing to make to actually the thing you're going to learn first. What I'm doing right now is called the pull, and that is one of the most fundamental skills to learn and the hardest. It will take you the longest to learn that. After you learn the pull and you make a cylinder, which is what I just did then, the last and final thing that you'll learn how to make in class is called a vase. And a vase has basic structures like the body, the neck that I'm working on right now, choking in that neck to make it more narrow, kind of shaping it a little further. And that pretty much is a vase. So as I break this vase down, we're going to work our way backwards. The cylinder would actually be the thing that you make before the vase. So I'm actually going to choke this in here and make a small cylinder. And once you've learned how to make a small cylinder, you're going to learn how to make what is basically a small vase, but we're going to turn that small vase into a cup. And I'm teaching you right now how to pull a handle. And obviously there's other steps involved before you get to use the cup, but that's basically how to pull a handle. And there we have our cup or mug. And from there, we're going to break this down a little further. The second thing that you're going to learn how to make in class is going to be a bowl. It is a pretty basic, simple shape that many of you love to eat as much cereal as you can out of a large bowl, so that is something that you will be learning how to make. But the very first thing that you're going to learn how to make is probably one of the easiest things to do because it's so low, and that is a plate. So the plate is the very first thing that you'll learn how to make on the wheel in class. And hopefully you've enjoyed this video and have enjoyed watching me break down the vase into a plate. Hope to see you in class. Thank you for watching.